Welcome. If you're getting tired of those random dream suggestions popping up on Snapchat, you're not alone. These notifications can feel unnecessary, especially if you're not actively using that feature. The good news is, you can turn them off in just a few quick steps, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do it. First, go ahead and open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where you can access all your account settings. Next, in the top right corner of your profile screen, you'll see a small gear icon. Tap on that to open the settings menu. This is where Snapchat keeps all the controls for your account preferences, privacy, and notifications. Now scroll down until you find the notifications section and tap on it. This area lets you customize exactly what alerts you receive, so you're not constantly interrupted by things you don't care about. Once you're inside notifications, look through the list until you find the option labeled Dream Suggestions. When you see it, simply uncheck